Okay, today video we will show you the breakdown of the European Union through the astrology, and for that we need astrological chart. As you can see, we have here astrological chart of the European Union. The foundation of the European Union was on the 1st November 1993. And for deeper understanding how can we predict the upcoming events in the European Union, it is through the signs, because every sign in this chart represents one state, and every sign has his ruler, and on that rulers we can see through the aspects what will happen and what will occur in the near future. First technique we have to take is the secondary progressions for this chart, and if we apply secondary progressions, we will get another thing. First, it is the ascendant of the secondary progressions come to 4 degree of Virgo, and that, if we apply on the natal chart of the European Union, we can see that ascendantal has formed the square for of nodes and north node and the south node, and you can clearly see in that we have in 2016 big problems in the European Union which will occur, because basic ascendantal represents the basic body of the every chart, in this case European Union. Second, what we need to look, it is the secondary Venus, and if we look at Venus in the secondary progressions, we can see the Venus has came to 18 degree of Scorpio, and in this year form a sextile with Uranus and Neptune. The Venus is most important planet in the European Union chart, because it represents the Europe itself. And if in this year we have a sextile with that 3 planets, clearly we can say the most biggest issues of the European Union will come to life, which is unemployment and big migration from the Syria, Egypt, Libya and other countries which were hit by war for this 2016. But most important thing, it is the transit of Uranus, which will in March and April of 2016 form a square, first with Neptune and Uranus, natal Neptune and Uranus. As you can clearly see, this is the ephemeris for April 2016. We have Uranus on 19 degree. Sorry, here is a March. 19 degree of Aries, and that is clearly here, exact square with the natal Uranus and Neptune will came to in March, and this will cause strikes, rebellions, revolts, crisis, first in country represented with archetype of Neptune and Uranus, which is Italy, Ireland, Switzerland, Portugal, and etc. Then, clearly, in April of 2016, the Uranus will form exact opposition with Venus. And if we can further examine this chart, we can clearly see that all countries represented of archetype of Venus, which is Austria, Belgium, Poland, Cyprus also, will enter into the crisis period of big transitions in big unemployments and big destabilizations. Because that we can say that this year will be the year when the European Union countries will take a fall apart and demand their independence again. What it is clearly in the next chapter also interesting, we have Serb Republic of Pokrajina Vojvodina represented also with Venus, and very big probability it is the Vojvodina will take independence in the year between 2016 and 2018. And then if we continue with the analysis, and if we in secondary progressions take 2017, middle of the 2017, we will get the Venus will come into a 19.5 degree, and that it is the most interesting spot, because in the secondary progressions the Venus will progress with exact conjunction with the natal Mercury. And if we look clearly, the natal Mercury is the ruler of the second house of the chart of the European Union, and we clearly can say that in 2017 the European Union will have the year which is most difficult, which is the most important year for the budget, for the euro currency. We will surely have a crisis there, and also that retrograde Mercury in the chart of the European Union is the ruler of the 11th house, which is represent European Union budget, European Union Parliament, and many other things. In 2017 it will be clearly that these questions are most sensitive questions, and it will cause very big issues in 2017. What is most important when we look at the transit for 2017? Here it is. It is the Uranus, and on the summer 2017, Uranus will make exact opposition with natal Jupiter of the chart of the European Union, and all countries in archetype of the Jupiter will want to leave the European Union. such as Italy and other countries represented the Jupiter. Most important thing is to say that this opposition Uranus with Jupiter, at the same time we will have Pluto, who will come into 19 degree in exact conjunction with Uranus and Neptune, and in the 6th house of the European Union. And the worst thing it could happen, it is that transit of Pluto will make not only conjunctions with natal Neptune and Uranus, also it will make an exact square with Venus, which is Europe. And Pluto carries and Sun and Mercury and Mars and Pluto in itself, and it will cause the mass unemployment, maybe mass unemployment, mass rebellions, mass crisis in Europe, in the European Union, and surely into 2018 European Union will cease to exist on these astrological predictions. So we will see what will happen, but surely this is not looking good, folks.